guys, I'm selling these two deers and these big deer. It's all one. It's all one, guys. It's pretty big, so $35 for both. Going to meet the guy right now. Okay, guys, there's the cash for making the sale. And it's good to deal with nice people that really communicate well, and it's a smooth transaction. With some people, they want it, and they want it now, and boom, you get that cash, just like that right now. So, thumbs up, keep moving forward, guys. Posting, keep trying to sell, and if your item's not selling, has been up there for a while, you gotta try to reduce that price down, and you'll be surprised how many people start asking you about that item. You'll sell it quicker. Yes, guys, another 35. Awesome, awesome. You know, it's good when you make sales, guys, and when you don't have any attachments to those items, you could reduce the price. I had those items. It was 3 items, actually. It was two separate deers that were a pair, and another 2 deers in one, so it was like 3 items, but it was a bulky deer. It's definitely worth a lot more than what I sold it for, but it's gone. I made some money, guys, and I'm happy. They're happy. Hope they give me a good result on Marketplace so I can increase my rating. Getting all this cast aluminum together, and I've actually busted a lot of these guys right here. I got all the brass out of these. I opened these up, cleaned up the metal, got all these copper and brass ends off of here, cleaned it up. There's a whole bunch of them. There's a couple that I have to clean up. That's the ends, guys, that I have to clean up. The holes there and everything. Some are look at that little piece of cast aluminum. There we go. I did a lot of cleaning in here the other day. I did a probably 3-hour video that I'm just going to delete because I don't have time for all the editing and stuff. So turn your items to cash, you know. I mean, people are buying, man. It's a buying game right now. I gotta get this listed, then this will be out of here. The whole shelf will be open down there. I cleaned that whole shelf out the other day. I moved this box in. Found my toolbox, my fishing box down there. Went through that a little bit, just wires. I'm not giving up on the flea market, guys. I think the flea market is going to come back very soon. People need their flea markets. People make money at flea markets, so people want to spend money at flea markets. But right now, it's like Facebook Marketplace is your flea market. So, hey guys, so like, say I'm selling like 12 of these cups for one price. I could go ahead and stage them here, maybe in a soup box or some container, 12. This way, I could run them through the dishwasher. Get them here, cover them with some cardboard or something, and when they sell, I take the whole box probably and just go sell it to them. You know, it's a staging area, which is really good to have. That's what I'm finding out about things. Like this, all this stuff gotta go, guys. It's all gotta go. I need this as a staging area, as well as this as a staging area. So that's what it's about, guys. Turn the stuff into cash. Okay, guys, got a kid's bike in the trunk that I picked up on the curb and cleaned it up just a little bit, oiled the chain a little bit, put air in the tires, put it up on Marketplace, and put it up for like 20 bucks.
Curb or whatever. Something will take it. But...
Alright, guys, we're leaving the Sheetz gas station right there, and
that's the first time somebody asked for change.
right here, 20 bucks. First time somebody asked for change, guys. So She was happy with the item.
She had 2 kids with her.
I mean, yeah, the seat goes up, guys. So it's like she asked me if the seat went up more, and I said, yeah. You know, you gotta know how to do that though. Take the bolt off and raise the seat.
Oh my God! I think he was going the wrong way.
So
She's still a mess.
it's watch this guy. Watch. So anyways, guys, I got the full price I was asking for. Alright guys, back again with another sale. 20 bucks. And we take that 35, add it to that 20. That's $55, guys. 55 bucks. 2 sales lined up for tomorrow. And with the 2 sales I'm getting tomorrow, this is going to turn to 100 bucks right here. Plus whatever the scrap money is, it's going to be a plus. Could be 150, you know, who knows. But it's going to be a pretty good day for making money. So 2 days to make 150, it's not bad. Lots of cast aluminum there. Still doing a lot of cleanup with that little stuff. But hey, it's getting cold. The light's on the shed, that means it's time to go in. Thanks for watching, guys.